Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Rahmat Wahyu and I'm from class Y4F. I'm a student from Indraprastha University. My ID is 212212500091. Welcome to today's lesson. Today we'll be learning about the present continuous tense. By the end of this video, I hope you will be able to form sentences in the present continuous tense and know when to use them correctly. So, let's get started to the material. So, what's the present continuous tense? The present continuous tense is also known as the present progressive tense. It's from using the present tense of the verb to be am is are, followed by the base verb plus ing. The present continuous tense is used to describe actions that are happening right now or around the current time. So, what situation we can use of the present continuous tense? First, actions that are happening right now. For the example is, she is talking to her friend. I am teaching English. Tom and Ben are eating apples. Second, temporary action. For the example is, I am staying at my cousin's house. He is working on a project temporarily. Third, developing situation or a changing situation. For the example is, prices are rising due to increased demand. The weather is getting colder. And the last one is to tell near future plans or event. For the example is, we are meeting them tomorrow. David is learning to drive tomorrow. I am flying to Paris next week. And now, how the structure of present continuous tense. For the positive or affirmative sentence, we can use subject, to be, present participle, and the sentence. And for the negative, to make the present continuous tense negative, we can add not between the verb to be and the main verb. For the structure is subject, to be, plus noun, plus present participle, and this end of the sentence. Interrogative. To ask a question in the present continuous tense, invert the subject and the verb to be. For the structure is to be plus subject plus present participles, and don't forget a question mark. Let's take a look at the some example I have here. For the positive, I am reading a newspaper. You are doing it wrong. He is playing tennis. For the negative, I am not reading a newspaper. You are not doing it wrong. He is not playing tennis. For the interrogative, am I reading a newspaper? Are you doing it wrong? Is he playing tennis? For the negative interrogative, am I not reading a newspaper? Are you not doing it wrong? Or we can tell our right is, aren't you doing it wrong? And last one is he not playing tennis? Or you can say our right is, isn't he playing tennis? So, let's talk about double-edged question form for the present continuous tense. In the screen we have what, where, when, who, why, how as the double-edged question. So what's come after that? There are to be, subject, and the verb ing. For the first is, what are you doing? I am teaching. Where are you going? I am going to the store. When is it happening? Is it happening tomorrow? Who is she talking to? She is talking to her daughter. Why is she crying? She is crying because her toy is broken. How is it going? It's going well. I have an exercise to you. Please write down 3 sentences in the present continuous tense and try to using different subject and verbs in the sentences. For the example is, there are eating seafood, and your turn. Great job! You learn how to form and use the present continuous tense. Keep practicing by observing action happening around you and describing them in the present continuous tense. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.